Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to track a project or process, but you just couldn't find a tool that was easy to use and powerful enough to get the job done? So, then you're not alone. In fact, millions of people around the world are using Smartsheet to manage their work every day. In this video, we're going to take a look at what Smartsheet is and how it can be used to improve your productivity and efficiency. We'll also explore some of the different use cases for Smartsheet so you can see how it can be applied to your own work. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that provides a variety of tools for managing projects, tasks, and workflows. It's easy to use, yet powerful enough to handle even the most complex projects. Some of the key features of Smartsheet include drag-and-drop interface. This makes it easy to create and customize sheets to your needs. Real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same sheet at the same time, making it easy to stay on top of projects. Automation. Smartsheet can be used to automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. Reporting. Smartsheet provides a variety of reporting tools, so you can easily track your progress and keep stakeholders informed. Use cases for Smartsheet. Smartsheet can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management. Smartsheet provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing projects, from planning and scheduling to tracking progress and reporting. Task management. Smartsheet can be used to create tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. Workflow management. Smartsheet can be used to automate workflows, making it easier to get things done. Customer relationship management. CRM. Smartsheet can be used to manage customer data and interactions. Marketing. Smartsheet can be used to manage marketing campaigns and track their results. Human resources. Smartsheet can be used to manage employee data and track performance. Finance. Smartsheet can be used to manage financial data and track budgets. How to get started with Smartsheet. If you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, here are a few resources that can help. Smartsheet website. The Smartsheet website has a wealth of information about the product, including tutorials, webinars, and case studies. Smartsheet Academy. The Smartsheet Academy is a great place to learn about Smartsheet's features and how to use them effectively. Smartsheet Community. The Smartsheet community is a great place to get support and connect with other Smartsheet users. Smartsheet is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used to improve your productivity and efficiency. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or just looking for a way to get organized, Smartsheet is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, I encourage you to sign up for a free trial today. You can also check out some of the resources I mentioned earlier. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on productivity and productivity tools.